An exciting discovery from the depths of Anatolia. What if I told you there's a hidden treasure beneath the ground, waiting to reveal the secrets of ancient civilizations? What if that treasure holds clues to engineering marvels lost to time? Get ready for some groundbreaking news you won't find anywhere else in the world. Today, on True Stories, we take you to Bitlis Castle in the heart of Anatolia, a region bursting with rich history and ancient discoveries. With each excavation, we get one step closer to understanding the incredible achievements of the past. And today's discovery of an ancient water distribution system is no exception. Let's dive into this fascinating journey together. The historical significance of Bitlis Castle, a gateway of civilizations. Bitlis Castle has played a crucial role throughout history, serving as a key settlement for various civilizations. Positioned strategically in Eastern Anatolia, the castle changed hands numerous times, leaving behind traces of different cultures with each transition. During the Ottoman period, the importance of Bitlis Castle grew even further, transforming from a military stronghold into a governing center. The castle's historical significance stretches back to pre-Ottoman times, when it was controlled by various civilizations, including the Seljuks and Persians. The castle's location made it a vital military outpost, as well as a center for administration and trade. Over time, it evolved to accommodate the needs of its inhabitants, including their most vital need, water. The discovery of the water distribution system within the castle reveals how the residents managed this essential resource. More than just a military structure, Bitlis Castle was a living space for the people of its time. Water was essential for everyday life, and the recently uncovered water system shows how advanced the engineering of the era was in addressing such needs. This system not only provided water for drinking, but also supported the functioning of the castle's various structures, including its palace and bathhouse. The archaeological excavations, unearthing the secrets of Bitlis Castle. The excavation work at Bitlis Castle is being carried out by a dedicated team of 20 people, led by the Ahlat Museum with permission from the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. Under the scientific guidance of Associate Professor Yunus Emre Karasu, the team has focused on uncovering the mysteries hidden within the castle, especially in its palace section. The archaeological efforts have brought to light several important artifacts, including coins, clay pipes, lamps, and ceramic pieces. However, the most remarkable find is undoubtedly the water distribution system made from baked clay pipes, or kunks, which provided water to the castle's cisterns and bathhouse. This system offers significant insights into how water was managed in a large fortress like Bitlis Castle. Before this discovery, it was unknown how such a large castle handled its water needs. The discovery of the intact water system not only answers this question, but also provides a rare glimpse into the advanced engineering and planning that went into constructing such systems during the Ottoman period. The water distribution system, a marvel of engineering. The recently uncovered water distribution system at Bitlis Castle is an outstanding example of the engineering capabilities of its time. This system, consisting of clay pipes, demonstrates how water was channeled from its source to the castle's cisterns and the Sinan Bey bathhouse, which was built in the 1530s. This discovery shows that the water system was likely constructed during the same period, around the 1500s. According to the explanations provided by Bitlis Provincial Director of Culture and Tourism Ali Fuat Eker, the water system was connected to the Sinan Bey bathhouse and played a crucial role in supplying the castle with clean water. The bathhouse, an important part of social life in the Ottoman era, relied heavily on a steady water supply. The water system likely sourced its water from the Duav region and transported it via aqueducts to the castle, where it was distributed to various structures through these clay pipes. This intricate system ensured that the castle's inhabitants had access to water, not just for drinking, but also for other vital needs, such as cooking, cleaning, and maintaining hygiene. The discovery of such a well-preserved system highlights the impressive level of engineering skill present during this period, allowing the castle's complex society to function efficiently. Other finds from the excavations: windows into the past. In addition to the water system, the excavations at Bitlis Castle have unearthed a treasure trove of historical artifacts. Coins, for instance, provide valuable insights into the trade and economy of the time, showing that Bitlis Castle was an active center of commerce. The coins, made of various metals, point to the extensive trade networks and the role the castle played within these systems. Other items, such as clay pipes and oil lamps, shed light on the daily lives of the castle's residents. The presence of clay pipes suggests that tobacco use was common during this period, while the oil lamps served as essential lighting devices in the castle's dimly lit interiors. These objects offer a fascinating glimpse into the social and cultural life of the inhabitants. The excavation team also found ceramic fragments, along with glass, metal, and bone objects. The ceramics in particular reflect the artistic and craft traditions of the time, serving both functional and decorative purposes. These pieces not only fulfilled daily needs, but also expressed the aesthetic values of the era. Each artifact helps us build a more complete picture of life at Bitlis Castle and the region's broader cultural context. The future of Bitlis Castle: restoration and cultural tourism. The archaeological work at Bitlis Castle is part of a broader effort to restore and preserve this important historical site for future generations. The Bitlis Provincial Directorate of Culture and Tourism has outlined ambitious plans to restore the castle and open it to visitors. Bitlis Castle is not just an archaeological site, it's a window into a world that once was, and the goal is to make this world accessible to modern-day visitors. As restoration work progresses, the plan is to preserve the original architecture of the castle, while also highlighting key discoveries such as the water distribution system. The restored castle will offer a unique experience for visitors, who will be able to walk through the ancient structures and imagine what life was like in the 1500s. The restoration will include the Sinan Bay bathhouse, the water system, and other important architectural elements uncovered during the excavations. Visitors will be able to see firsthand how the people of the past managed vital resources like water, and how they built their homes, palaces, and places of worship. Bitlis Castle is poised to become a significant cultural tourism destination, bringing the region's rich history to life. Conclusion: continuing to uncover the mysteries of history. Dear True Stories viewers, today we explored the fascinating discovery of the water distribution system at Bitlis Castle and delved into the other amazing artifacts uncovered during the excavation. The story of Bitlis Castle is just one chapter in the larger history of Anatolia, a region filled with countless more mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the lives, cultures, and technologies of ancient civilizations. If you enjoyed this exploration of history, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue to share these incredible stories from the past. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.